Rooster.
Good deal there, boys. You're over and done there for sure there, no doubt.
The time out your schedule way ahead.
Mercy has got busy out there now. I know when it's time for me to tuck tail and run, because Mother Nature, she just going on over too.
Northern Illinois got tail.
I'm gonna tuck tail and run.
Ron, Illinois, 222 in Illinois. You got a copy, Mr. Frequency, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, waving.
Well, sure like got a hold out there, back shot out there, but I'll tell you what there, maybe I'm not pointing at him. I forget where he's at. Hey, I do. Man, old back shot out there, but, you know, cut my lip right off here.
Yeah, sure was good shaking. Hey, Russ, Timberwolf, Virginia. Georgia, take care. He's out of here. I heard Easy Money coming in from Maryland, and I got another station coming in from Pennsylvania, and I got another, I got 302 Boss down in the BAM coming in here also. Goodness gracious, I need to flip over on my ground plane, I think. Take care, 26.
Hey, boys.
I see you again in Manchester. Oh, 222. Northern Illinois. I got to ease a little Great Lakes control. Hey, Rooster, I see you at 222. I'm
Hey,
going.
boys, out there in Alabama, 711, 711, out in West Virginia, where I am.
Close that road, dog. No strain, no pain. I'm going to try to spin it small. West. Let's see if I can't find 0131 Mustang. Hey, road, dog.
410, Rooster, take care. Take care, Rooster. I'll talk to you later. I'm going to put my beam deck down in Alabama quick. 302 still on this crappy sounding radio. Hey, 302 Boss in the BAM. Did you pull your foot off them ducks' necks down there yet? 302. Break. Hey, roll down 500. Hey, Road Dog. Down Tennessee. Timberwolf around Virginia. Break.
Hey, crack shot. Let me try and get it down to you. Outside of Lincoln.
Hey, boss, here. Coming in. I could have talked to you for long.
Yeah, Road Dog. Hey, Road Dog. Timberwolf.
Hey, boss, be still here. You're out here. West Virginia. You kind of went down me a little bit there, and then you come right back up. Hey, boss, out there in Alabama.
Hello there, 926. 926.
Tell me where'd you go? We're on the top side of Lincoln looking for you.
Money, gosh dang, son.
462 around that old Keystone. 462.
Timberwolf, get that way.
He's walking through your neighborhood. Wait.
Hey, Silver Eagle there. We did hear you there. We just want to let you know we did hear a little bit of you there for sure. Hey, Silver Eagle, 711, West Virginia, where I am.
462 toll collector working this old wizard. Working the old wizard.
Hello, Spark Plug. I hear you over here, man, around Virginia. Timberwolf, that wave right on back.
What a mess. Toll collector working this old PA turnpike. Working the PA turnpike, wizard.
Man, we just got good conditions. No doubt. Hey, crack shot there.
Yeah, hello, 131. You all are here in Mount Steve over here in Virginia. Timberwolf, that way back to 131.
Catfish in 131. Catfish, way that way. Out here in Virginia. We just got that.
Me and Simon.
All right, crack shot there. Yeah, we ain't had these eagles too long. I was Probably North Manchester, made down North Carolina there, but down North Carolina.
Have yourself fun. Appreciate that coming. Yeah, I hear you over here, Road Hog. I got it all, Road Hog. Appreciate the comeback, Timberwolf. Round Virginia, copy that.
I was running down there, man. I had racing everything here, but I had to call camp with it too. But they were getting me here first night. I wasn't going to spend just one night. Yeah, about 500 miles from where I was at there. Well, no sense just going down there for one night, one day. So
Get it all, Road Hog. Have a time, man. Timberwolf, Round Virginia. I'm clear.
That 1-2-3 posted, man. That's up like a Dave and it's modulating.
Bye. Put my knees in the breeze and push through. Yeah. Catch you later. We going?
Easy money, I will repost that gig to be in Sidewinder, here at the gate, 595 in Jersey.
Oh, I tell you what, I hear a whole bunch in there. I'm just going to sit back and listen. I need a cup of coffee anyhow. Well, everybody get a little bit here. I'm going to take a pause for the cause. For good old McDonald's coffee here. We're sipping.
Hey, what are you talking about? I got your radio tore up. I ain't keyed in a while, man. Hey, what are you talking about, Slingshot and the Lakes, has got your radio torn up? Because I ain't keyed in a while, Slingshot, I'll see you. Operator and the builder, they're also. Hey, easy money. You said you had an iPhone, fired up, and you're keying down and recording free there, MX302. Somebody down there in Texas, man, said that Slingshot had his radio torn up. Man, shit. You know, I ain't keyed in a while. Hey, I'm keeping it free.
462 toll collector working at PA Turnpike on this Memorial Weekend. 462 toll collector around that PA Turnpike.
Oh, we're standing by. Come on, 458 up there in southern Indiana.
How about Jared Hammer? How about Jared Hammer, 280? All right there, Georgia. I thought your deal was Road Hog here for sure. 462 toll collector working this PA Turnpike. Putting her down the road right there.
Hello, can you hear me, Patty?
Hey, 222. That's cruising 200.
Virginia, Barker.
Afternoon there, 131. Hey, 131. Good afternoon, 289. Hey, 131. Hey, 131, 0289.
We got this up looking thing, man. What's going on out there around the Mahalo? 131. I'm gonna work.
Spark plug still sound good in the bluegrass.
That's now.
Sit back and read my radio. Hello to you, road dog, in Tennessee with Little Squirt, worldwide Little Squirt. Hello. Bye. How about you, Mesquite, Michigan?
You working 131?
The 565 when we started. Worldwide. Hello to you, Mother Nature ain't quite the best, but right now you sounding real good, running out in front of everybody. Had a real good, safe weekend, you and the family. Hey, Crash Shot and Dixie, a little squirt in the Great Lakes is right back. Come on. 1, 2, 3, rubber duck in the boogie. Yeah, break. We will go, Hey, number 3. Hey, number 3, what happened to look? Crash Shot out here on number 3 in the Carolinas, easing in my side door. That's what I mean. I'll sit back and read my for a little bit. You still got a side in the world. Crash Shot in Alabama, a little squirt, way up north of Muskegon with a howdy doody wave. Number 3, I hear you. Come on. Yeah, right out there one more time, bootleg. Hey,
Okay, 131, see if I can get over that 20-pound noise level you got. Hey, easy 131, welcome to the weekend. What's left of it? Triple Deuce, West Virginia, waving that hand and pulling right.
wave that little squirt real quick. Like you
That way we can run ourselves.
kid, you gotta wave at him real fast because he's traveling. Hey, number 3, Slingshot, Great Lakes, got down, I see ya.
No money in Maryland.
12 in the grass, will you? Right there, right back, 3. Hey, 3, I don't know if you're listening now, but I am. Hey, 3. I am, and I hope you have a good July also. And then we'll get back out here and be back reading this mail and get back in the bushes. Number 3 in the Carolinas, Slingshot, Great Lakes, Central Michigan. I'll see you.
All right, man, we're supposed to do it. Yeah, they're getting ready to start shooting up fireworks again over there across the road there.
131, how about it, 131? 232, Illinois, we're just...
We'll probably come take a good set of speakers, man, with some good come digging tweeters. Seven. Here in the Yays UFC 8.
It's your talk show. So I'm going to play. East side go.
500 birds. Dude, it's Mac Nasty. Hey, 131, you talk to 006. Say hello, 131.
Oh, he set it off. One more time, bootlegger, 232. Okay. Check. One. Hero. Bye. Shoot, I got about 30 on you, but well, boy, but it's all good. When I speak to you, it's all matters.
He allowed us to make the hookup. He's up there with that big audio hammer out of Illinois. Hired old boss, like a team, man. Well, I ain't doing no politicking, no player hate 131. You get the thing down over here in Maryland. 131. Oh, by the way, 131 on the phone with Dave, and he did say to say hello to you. If Mother Nature allowed, old Sidewinder, old Dave up in Jersey said hello, 131. Did you catch that?
One more time, bootlegger, 232 Illinois. We're trying. I guess it's 232 Illinois not making the trip. We're standing by.
All these boys want me to tell you hello, man. I guess that means my station's working down here. Old Roadrunner station's working. Hey, 131, if the conditions are still right.
Cut 131. I can cut 131. Hey, roll, little squirt. Hey, roll, little squirt trying to ease in the Bayou Country. Over here, a real damn good weekend in the Bayou Country. Hello to you, roll, little squirt trying to do break.
Lager, Illinois, we're trying.
Bye, Sky Jumper and Joy. Hey, don't get little squirt hurt, man. Don't get little squirt hurt, man. Hey, don't get little squirt, gray lace squirt. I'm trying to wave. I'm pulling out. Hey, break. Bye, Sky Jumper. You know what I said. Hey, Sky Jumper, you know what I said, don't get little squirt. Now, you're a road hog in the bayou, so I'm going to say hello, road hog. You know what I said? I said, don't get little squirt. Muskegon, Michigan, bye.